Good afternoon, everyone. 4 minutes left for the class. I want each and every child to on the video and all sit in a prayerful posture. Keep hands on the lap and close your eyes. I am still waiting for the participants to join. Time is running fast, so please join the class faster. I have informed you yesterday only about the class. So join the class faster. I have to start with a new topic. After 2 minutes, I'll start the prayer. So each and every child sit in a prayerful posture. Please on your video, every child. Every child video has to be on. I want to see your book, notebook ready with you. Every child on your video, bache, fast. Good. Zubia, very good. Chris Jot, Ananya, Akansha. Samreen on your video. Patanjali has on. Then one girl, father name is given, Pratham Sharma. Runjun is on. Anshdeep, Kushinika, yes. Nana, very good. Hashmeet, sit straight. Your face is not clear. Harshdeep is on, yes. Rachi Kalotra, yes. Hashmeet, very good. Just 1 minute left for the class. Now each and every child, please sit in a prayerful posture. Sit in a prayerful posture, everyone. Keep hands on your lap, close your eyes. I want every child to sit in a prayerful posture. Yes, very good, Naranya, Lavanya, Karnika. I'm able to see everyone. All sit in a prayerful posture. Good. Just 1 minute there for the class. Join faster, students. And keep your video on only. Don't off your video. So I am starting the prayer now. Dear God, keep each and everyone safe. Ashmeet, keep hands on your lap, bache. Dear God, keep each and everyone safe from all harm and danger. Protect everyone and keep my all the students safe and they should give their best in the class and they should participate actively. We ask this prayer in your love's sake. All will say the universal prayer, Our Father in heaven. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now all open your eyes. On your screen, you all are able to see the friction video is there. Now I will on the video and please watch it carefully. Suhani, Vasundhara, Subaika, please on your video. All have to keep the video on. Watch it carefully.
ball is moving on a flat ground and does not steady self-activity. Whose movement do you think will be smoother? Definitely yours. When you hold the bottle in your hand, why does it just slip through your fingers? Sometimes because of the force.
Okay, just 1 minute. Zubia, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बच्चे. 1 minute. Vishali, you also unmute yourself. Vishali Bhagat, unmute yourself, beta. Okay. Zubia, are you able to see the video which I have shared on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the topic given?
Ma'am, friction.
Now, what is the first example given on the screen there? Different examples are given. The first example is of which object?
Ma'am, a ball.
Yes, very good. And Vishali, please tell me, I am moving my cursor there. Which is the next example they have given? Vishali has gone. She has muted herself. Vishali, unmute yourself, beta. Unmute yourself. I have given you permission to unmute. Very lazy people are, na? Okay. Now, second example is of the bottle. The person is holding the water bottle. Swani Sharma. Swani Sharma, unmute yourself. I have given you permission. Swani Sharma, unmute faster. Yes. See the third example. What is the third example given here? Are you able to see?
Ma'am, glass. Ma'am, it's looking like.
Okay, see the fourth one. You're able to see the shoe, foot, and something down in their foot. What is that example?
Skates.
The person is wearing the skates. Okay. And
Yes,
the next
ma'am.
example, something is written there. What is
Ma'am,
written?
caution.
Caution means like something, this floor is wet. So not to walk on this floor. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine, bache. I will on the video now and then I will tell you to give me the answer. Just wait a second, it will start.
Why skating on an ice rink is easier? Because the force of friction is less.
Now what is the person is saying? What is friction? Friction is? Swani has muted herself, I think so. Okay. Subaika, unmute yourself. Unmute faster. Subaika, unmute yourself, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once again do it, beta. Once again unmute yourself. Once
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now what is the definition of friction? Friction is what? Can you see something in
Ma'am,
the bracket here?
yes, ma'am. A friction is a force.
Yes, force applied to an object. That means
Yes.
two different things are needed. Particular thing is there from where like means two regular surfaces will be there. Two surfaces will be there. We can't say it is irregular, but two surfaces
Yes.
will be there touching one another. Like one example is given here of the skates. Means skates as well as the floor. So both the things are there. So irregularities are there in between the both. And when both the things are put together, then the friction will do its work. Okay, bache, just 1 minute. I'll go further with the video and then we'll do.
When the ball is moving in this direction, The force of friction is acting in the opposite direction.
Now what they said about the ball? So Vaika, what they said about the ball when ball is?
Ma'am, when ball is on the floor, there is a friction between the ball and the floor. That's why
Yes.
it moves. There is a force.
But what force? They are saying ball is moving forward, but the friction is in the opposite direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ball is moving forward and the friction below the ground is giving them the what action is going on, that is opposite.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache, okay. Sonam Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Sonam Chaudhary, unmute yourself, beta, fast. Yes. Okay. Prabpreet, bache, your name, mute, unmute is not coming. You join again. Nothing is coming here. Okay, I'm continuing with the video. Sonam
The
Chaudhary.
force of friction offered by the ice-free flow is less than the force of friction offered by the road. Hence, skating on the ice rink is easier and seems effortless. The ball doesn't sit down because the surface of your hand offers a friction in the upward direction. And in case of the floor ball, the solid holder reduces the friction offered by the flow. In this audio lesson, we will learn more about friction. We see the patterns of every friction. We understand why friction is found at every angle of Earth. And we will also learn different types of friction.
Now, Sonam Chaudhary, are you there, bache? I have unmuted you, Sonam.
Yes.
Okay, speak loudly, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch off the mic. Yes, yes. Sonam, which topic we started today? Say, beta. We started the topic. See the screen. On the screen, the topic is there. Sonali Sharma, unmute yourself. Sonali Sharma, unmute yourself. I've given you permission to unmute. My class is becoming very lazy. Okay, just 1 minute. Shiny James, unmute yourself. All will get the chance one by one. Yes, Shiny. Which topic we have started today?
Ma'am,
Which
friction.
topic we have started?
Friction.
Friction. Now, which examples were given on the screen there?
Ball.
Ball was there.
Ball. Ma'am, skating.
Yes. The person walking on the floor. What else?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Krishinka, unmute yourself, bache. Krishinka, whatever the name. I'm not able to pronounce it properly every time. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
bache.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, any example you can give for friction? Whether you have seen on the screen or any new example you want to give, your choice. Say faster, bache.
Excuse
seen
me,
on the
ma'am, my screen is not visible first.
Acha. Their example was
Ma'am,
like ball was given, rolling on the ground.
ma'am, but my screen is not coming.
Your screen is not coming. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
I have shown the
Ma'am, I
video.
don't know.
You again join the class. Once again, you open the link and join.
Ma'am, it is coming error.
It is coming.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Which example? Give one example. Which is fast. I have to continue with the topic now. What topic we have to study? Okay. Runjun, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gori Gupta, unmute yourself. Unmute, bache. Very good. Okay, Runjun. Now, I think you can give me an example of friction. Did you understand? What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
friction?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can say that a boy is pushing a cardboard box from one side and the cardboard box is moving due to force we are applying on it, which is also known as friction.
Friction. Yes, very good. Gori, can you give me an example?
Ma'am, skates.
Yes, when we are putting the skate and trying to move on the floor, and when we are walking like wearing simple shoes and walking on the floor, which will be easier for us to go move? With the skate, bache, skate means we are rolling, not using any force, just giving pressure on the skates. Wheels are there, na, down on the skates.
Yes, ma'am.
Go faster. So friction is an opposing force call into play when two surfaces in contact with each other. Now you see, have seen everywhere there were two surfaces. What was there everywhere? Two surfaces.
Yes, ma'am.
So when two surfaces were in contact with one another, then the friction will take place. Fine, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait a minute. Now I'll go with the next topic now, which I have to start. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. I'll share my screen with you. Okay. Every child is able to see the screen. On the screen, I have given, just 1 minute. I will bring the name of the participant sideways so that one minute, give me 1 minute. Okay, so that you're able to read. Fine. Gauri, she has muted herself. Okay. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Karnika, unmute yourself. Karnika. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Aditi Singh, also unmute yourself. Karnika, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, what is
Yes,
written?
ma'am.
There?
Non-limiting friction.
Friction, limiting friction. Now, when we are talking about the word friction, in this word, you have to study about what is friction. Then you have to study about 2-3 new words. They are static friction, limiting friction, dynamic or sliding friction. Now, static friction is what? The force of friction call into play which does not allow two bodies to slide upon one another. Means static is self-adjusting. If we will adjust it, we will do the work easily. What is static, Karnika? Static is
Ma'am, the force of friction called into play which does not allow two bodies
to slide upon one another.
is called static friction.
Yes, it is self-adjusting force. Like we want to stop, we will stop. We want to move, we will move. That is, we can do on our own. But in limiting friction, when two bodies just slide upon one another. Limiting friction is when two bodies just slide upon one another. One body is down, other body is up. Okay. Now you read from here, Karnika. Limiting friction. Something is written there. Na, bache, read that.
Yes, ma'am. It is the highest value of static friction which comes into play when an object is just about to slide over the surface of an object. For an exerted external force greater than the limiting friction, the body begins to move.
Yes.
Once the motion has started, static friction cannot be considered. A new type of friction terms as
Kinetic friction comes into play.
Kinetic friction comes into play.
Now, basically, you have to understand what is limiting friction. So, what is limiting friction? Limiting friction is when the one body just slide upon another body. What is limiting friction? Simple language. When one body just slide upon the other body. Like we have seen the example of the ball. We have seen like person walking. Means the surface is down there and the other thing is on the top. That is limiting friction. Okay, Karnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Aditi, unmute yourself, bache. You have muted again yourself. You have to have patience.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Come to the laws of limiting friction. Are you able to see the laws of limiting friction?
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen.
Why, beta? My screen, I 100%
Ma'am, I don't know.
brightness and everything I have done. You have the network issue in your area.
Yes, ma'am.
Just try to see once again, okay? Jasleen, unmute yourself. Jasleen, unmute yourself faster, bache. We don't have time. Okay. Jasleen, have you unmuted yourself, beta? Some disturbance is there, na? Somebody has unmuted herself, that's why. Okay, Prachi Kalotra, unmute yourself. Prachi Kalotra? Yes, beta. Okay. Ratanjali, you also unmute yourself. Fast, fast. Permission is given. Sakshi Kullar, unmute yourself, beta. Ratanjali also has done. Okay. So the first participant is Prachi. Prachi, first read the first law of limitation.
Direction of limiting
Loudly, bacha,
friction
loudly.
is
Mouth
always
has to be in front of the mic. Your mouth has to be in front of the mic.
Yes, ma'am. The
Say now.
direction of limiting frictional force is always contrary to the direction of motion.
Can you tell me what is the meaning of contrary? The direction of limiting for frictional force is always contrary to the direction of motion. Means something is moving and the force is applied. So what has to be there? You have seen in the example of ball there. What was it? Ball was moving forward, but the force was applied in the opposite direction. Prachi has muted herself, I think so. Sakshi, why you people are muting yourself? Unmute yourself. Sakshi, unmute, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First one is the direction of limiting frictional force is always contrary to the direction of motion, means opposite. Like you have seen the example of ball. Ball was moving forward, but the force was applied in the opposite direction. Okay, disturbance should not be there, girls. Sakshi, disturbance should not be there, bache. So read the next one. Limiting friction can act
Limiting friction can act
tangentially.
Ma'am, what is the word?
Tangentially. 1 minute.
Tangentially to the two surfaces interacting.
Okay, tangentially means like limiting friction acts tangentially to the two surfaces interacting. So tangentially means in the way they relate only slightly to the matter, means direction, particular direction is there. Like I gave you the example of the ball. Same thing is there. The first one is contrary means opposite. Tangentially means like we can say in a straight line it is, and opposite direction is given. Okay, Prachi, Sakshi, and one more I have unmuted na bache. Who was the next one? Madiha, unmute yourself. Unmute, beta. Yes.
Ratanjali.
Ratanjali, where she has gone? You are there, Ratanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read the third one. Bache, read na, read faster.
The magnitude of limiting friction is
Proportional.
proportional to the normal reaction emitted to the two surface.
The magnitude of limiting friction is proportional to the normal reaction. They are saying whether two surfaces are there, their magnitude is mostly same. Like if the ball is going forward and the force is applied in the opposite direction, but the force applied is same. Okay, Madiha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Madiha, read the fourth sentence.
The limiting friction hangs upon the material, the nature of the surfaces interacting, and their evenness.
Evenness means this topic is, girls, little bit difficult for you because it's the new topic you have not learned. So that's why I'm taking more time to make you understand. So the limiting friction hinges upon the material. Hinges means you have seen, like if something is down there and how you get stuck to it. Like we have seen I will give you the example of the magnet. Like I am putting the iron nails and then I put the magnet on that. So what will happen to the magnet and the nails? They both will get stuck to one another. Same way, in limiting friction, the surface down and the object on the top, both will get attached to one another. That means the hinges, limiting friction hinges upon the material, means get stuck to the material and the nature of the surface interacting. What type of nature is there, whatever the object you are using. And this evenness means how the objects are related to one another according to that. This is a little bit difficult, but you with the example you will be able to understand. Don't take tension. Ayushi Sambyal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
The last one, so long as the
normal reaction is the same, the magnitude of limiting friction is free of the shape or the area of the surfaces in contact for any two given surfaces.
they are saying as long as the normal reaction is the same. Reaction means whatever the work is done will be same, but the magnitude of the limiting friction is free. Any shape, anything can be used. It's not compulsory that particular shape will be there or then only the thing will do the work. It's not compulsory. So on your book on page number 176, particular laws are given which are easy for you to understand. First is limiting friction always opposes the motion of the body. They act in the opposite direction. Okay, now just Ayushi, are you there, bache? Hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will say the law and you repeat after me.
Okay, ma'am.
Friction always acts in the opposite direction of applied force. Say beta.
Repeat.
Limiting friction always acts. Say na.
Limiting friction always acts
In the direction opposite to the direction of the applied force. Yes, whatever force we are applying and the object we are using, both the things will be opposite. Okay, now just give me 1 second. Just 1 minute. Okay, Lichvi, unmute yourself. Lichvi, unmute yourself. Bache, I have given you permission. Florence, you also do. Do it faster, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ishleen, you also unmute yourself. Ishleen, unmute yourself. Florence,
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Florence, now I will say one sentence and you repeat after me. That is the law of limiting friction. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Limiting friction depends
Limiting friction depends
on the nature of surfaces in contact with each other. First is the object and the force will be opposite. Second is it will depend upon the nature of the surface. What type of surface you are having? It depends upon the nature. Okay. Ishleen. Ishleen has muted herself. Bache, unmute yourself, Ishleen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Now third point I will say, you repeat after me. Limiting friction increases.
Okay, ma'am. Limited friction increases
With the increase
in the increase
in the weight of the body
with the increase in the weight of the body.
and vice versa.
Ma'am, can you repeat? Your voice is
And
not clear.
vice versa. Vice versa is opposite.
And vice versa.
Yes. First one is they will act in the opposite direction. Second is they depend upon the nature of the particular surface and the substance, whatever is used there. Third one is it will increase with the increase in the weight of the body. If the weight is more, friction will be acting on according to that. If the weight is less, then the friction will act according to that. Okay. Just give me 1 minute now. Well, Nishka, unmute yourself, bache. Well, Nishka Rajput, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have done 3 laws. Can you tell me any one law which we have done? Because these are the new topics and very difficult for you to understand. And all please on your
Ma'am.
videos, girls.
The direction of limiting frictional force is always contrary to the direction of motion.
I am saying from the book now, na. First is in the opposite direction. Contrary means in the opposite direction. That in the book is there, easy for you to understand, bache. Okay. Okay. Goodleen, unmute yourself. Goodleen, unmute yourself. Gunleen, unmute bache faster. Gunleen, unmute yourself, beta. Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me any one law? We have done 3 laws. I have explained you. Actually, there are 4, but I have explained 3. Fourth one also I will explain to you. So you say the any one law which you have understood.
Ma'am, the direction of limiting frictional force is always contrary to the direction of motion.
Yes, contrary means opposite. Okay. Any other law you want to say?
Ma'am, limiting friction acts tangentially to the two surfaces interacting.
Tangentially means it depends upon the nature of the surface and the object. On page number 176 of your book, girls, laws of limiting friction are given. They are easy for you to understand. Okay, bache?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. These are the difficult things now. You have to understand that, na? Then only you will do it. Ashmeet, unmute yourself, beta. Faster, girls. Time is running fast.
Ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me any one law?
Ma'am, limiting friction always opposes the motion of a body and acts in the direction opposite to the direction of applied force.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now, I will give chance to 1 minute. Give me 1 minute so that I can give chance to other girls also. Jasleen, unmute yourself. Jasleen, unmute yourself, beta. Faster, faster. Given permission to you. Sahajpreet, unmute yourself. Sahajpreet. Yes, bache. Okay, have you unmuted yourself? I am able to hear your voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chris Jyot, unmute yourself. Chris Jyot. Faster, beta, faster. Ira, unmute yourself. All have to unmute faster, bache. Sahajpreet, you have muted yourself. Unmute. Yes. Okay. Chris Jyot, you also. Sahajpreet. Now, can you tell me any one law? We have done 3 laws now, but 4th one I'll explain you afterwards.
Limiting friction depends upon the nature of surfaces in contact with each other.
Yes. Any other?
Limiting friction always opposes the motion of a body and acts in direction opposite to the direction and of applied force.
You have to write simply limiting friction acts in the direction opposite to the direction of applied force. Force and the object, both the direction will be opposite. Chris Jyot, anyone limiting
Yes,
friction?
ma'am.
Faster.
Ma'am, limited friction increases with the increase in the weight of the body and vice versa.
Whether the weight is more, then also friction will increase, and the weight is less, then also friction will increase. Means friction will do its work. It will not depend upon the weight. It will increase with the increasing the weight or the less weight is there. Okay. Ira, are you there, beta? Ira.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, any one law? 2 laws they have said, one is missing. Limiting friction depends upon the nature, that law. Say beta fast. Limiting friction, repeat after me. Limiting friction depends upon the nature.
The limiting friction depends upon its nature.
Upon the nature.
On the nature
of surfaces in contact with each other. Of surfaces
contact with each other.
Because they have to depend upon the nature. Like what type of object is there, then only the friction will do the work. And the last one is
Yes, ma'am.
limiting friction is independent of the area of contact between two surfaces. They don't see what type of area is there, big area, small area. Area they don't want. They don't just want to see what type of object is used down. Okay. So what is limiting friction?
Okay, ma'am.
Is independent of area. What is limiting friction? Limiting friction is
Independent of area.
area of contact between two surfaces. Okay. Now I'll mute you all. We'll go to further next slide. We'll go further to the next slide. Just wait a second. Next slide I'll put. We'll go with friction. We have done laws, limiting friction and the laws of limiting friction. Now, next topic which I am sharing on the screen is rolling friction. Okay, 1 minute. Mahip, unmute yourself. Mahip, unmute yourself faster. Mansimar, unmute yourself. Bache, fast. I've given you permission. Mansimar. Lazy girls, 8, 7 girls are becoming lazy nowadays. Fast. Muskan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Why these two are not doing? Mansimar, you also do it. Fast. Permission is given to you. Mahip, you also do it. All have to unmute themselves when teacher is telling them. Okay, Muskan, are you able to see the screen shared by me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is written
Yes,
there?
ma'am. Since rolling is much less, it is very easy and convenient.
So imagine if the person is walking like I am walking on the floor, simple way. So it will take time. If I am wearing the skates, what is down under the skates there?
Ma'am, tires.
Yes, wheels are there. We call them wheels.
Yes, wheels.
Okay, na? So with the help of wheels, they are saying rolling friction is what? It is much less. It is very easy and convenient. So please read the first example which is given there.
Yes, ma'am. To pull heavy luggage filled with rollers.
Yes. When we are having heavy luggage and the rollers are fit with that, what will happen? We are easily able to move that luggage. Okay. Pearlpreet, you also unmute. Muskan, you say the second point which is on the screen there.
Yes, ma'am. Heavy machines can be easily moved from one place to another by placing round logs of wood under them and then pushing.
Okay. Now rolling friction is very easy. Why how it becomes easy? When the wheels are down there, then it becomes easy. So heavy machines can also be moved from one place to another. Okay, Pearlpreet, you say the third point now.
The round logs of wood act as rollers and make it much easier to move the heavy machines kept on them.
When we are having the rollers down there and we have kept heavy machines on that, it becomes very easy and the things can move very easily. Okay. Now, Prachi, okay, bache, 1 minute. Wait. Prachi, the other Prachi, one is Prachi Kulotra, the other participant Prachi. Unmute yourself, Prachi. Girls, faster. My class is becoming very lazy. You say now, bache. Pearlpreet, you say.
Okay, ma'am. Wheels greatly reduce by rolling and hence can be used to move even heavy objects like car, buses, trucks.
Okay, wheels greatly reduce friction by rolling and hence can be used to move heavy objects. Okay, now anybody wants to ask anything? 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am, I want to ask.
Yes, Muskan, say beta.
Ma'am, that in the first, while studying this chapter, friction, ma'am, you have told that a ball is moving in different direction and on the road which is moving, it is in different direction. Means these both are in different direction.
No,
And the
not different direction. But when we throw the ball goes forward. Now, when I am throwing the ball in forward direction, the ball will go forward. But the force is applied in the opposite direction. Understanding?
Okay.
Ball is going forward, yes, but the force which is down there, in the earth, whatever the down object is, it will act in the opposite direction, so that both the objects can do the work. I'll give you a simple example of like a box. When I have to pull the box has to go in the front direction, na?
Yes, ma'am.
And the one person is standing behind. Okay? So he or she will give the force from behind. तो पीछे से force देगा ना उसको बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And if the person is standing in front of the box and trying to, both the person are standing one in the behind, one in the front, and both are pushing, what will happen to the box? Box will move.
No, ma'am.
Why? Because the person is giving the force from the front also and the back also. The force is getting blocked. Now force is not
Yes,
moving.
ma'am.
The object is not moving now. So in limiting friction, you have to understand this way. When we are throwing the ball in front, ball is going forward, but the friction which is behaving now, it is behaving in the opposite direction. ठीक है? Force जो लगेगा
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
opposite में होगा and the object will go further. That is the law of limiting friction.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, बच्चे. Anybody wants to ask anything, beta? I'm stop sharing the screen. Just 1 minute, beta. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 second. Just 1 second. Okay. I will unmute you all. Unmuting all. Just give me 1 second. Anybody wants to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Who is there? Pearlpreet, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, beta. Say.
Ma'am, can magnet be the example of limiting friction?
Magnet is we can give when we are using the iron object with a magnet. When you keep the magnet in front of the wood, magnet will not react, na beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Magnet will react when the magnetic objects will be there. Then the magnet will react. But when we are giving the example of limiting friction, in that any object is used, it will do the work in the opposite direction. It will see the nature. It will increase with the increase in the weight of the body. It will do the work independently. It does not need the help of anything. Understood, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood about the rolling friction? What is rolling
Yes,
friction? In that the rollers are used down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bache, who is there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm Runjun.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, I want to ask that when we were talking about the limiting friction,
Yes.
ma'am, in that case, the body is in motion or it's in rest?
When we will apply the force, what they are saying, limiting friction all opposite the motion of the body. Motion of the body means the body is moving. When we are applying force, then only the body will do the work. Na, bache? If the body is in rest, then the force is not. That means that time we have to apply the force. Understanding, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I end the class, bache Runjun?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have not given us roll numbers.
Bache, roll number is, I have sent the names to one girl. So today I'll put the roll numbers there and then I will make a list and then I'll send it to you. Okay, fine. Because some confusion is there. Urdu girls are coming. Some have left the Urdu. Some have joined the Urdu. So some little bit confusion was there. So I'll give the roll numbers. Okay, bache? Bye to all. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.